If you want to build apps using AI and upgrade your Lovable plan without overpaying, this quick guide will help. We're on the official Lovable website. Lovable is an AI-powered app builder that helps creators and teams design and collaborate in real time. To get started, sign up for a free account. Lovable offers a free plan, so you can explore the platform without adding any payment details. Once you're signed in, before upgrading, it's smart to check Techie coupons. Now switching to the Techie coupons website. On Techie coupons, you'll find a dedicated Lovable store page with the latest active and verified Lovable coupon codes and upgrade deals. This helps you confirm if any discounts are available before choosing a plan. Now head back to the Lovable website. Go to your billing or upgrade section. Here you'll see different plans. The free plan is for basic use. The pro plan is ideal for fast-moving teams with more credits and features. The business plan offers advanced controls for growing teams, and enterprise plans are available for large organizations with custom needs. Choose the plan that fits your requirements and continue to check out. On the checkout page, enter the Lovable coupon code from Techie Coupons in the promo code field and apply it. If the code is valid, the discount will be applied instantly. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your Lovable plan while saving money. Before upgrading any AI tool, always visit Techie Coupons to find verified coupons, updated discounts, and full deal details. The link to the Lovable Deals page on Techie Coupons is available in the description.